I'm working at the retail segment for a company's newest client. And I feel really comfy about working at Intellias because my team is actually always supporting me, even though the project is quite challenging and our team is actually international, so it's really comfortable to work here. You may ask what I actually do in my project. So my current responsibilities are end-to-end software delivery, product monitoring, business analysis, and also conducting optimization research. As a software engineer, I really like that I have a chance to improve client business by bringing innovative ideas to life. For me, it's really rewarding to see how small technical changes can make such a meaningful impact. What I like most about working at Intellias is that the possibility to grow both personally and professionally. The company offers a variety of opportunities such as company events, English courses, professional development programs. There is an option to get a mentor who can support your career development and guide you along the way. After work, I like to spend some time outdoors, like skiing, bicycling, hiking, and also last year I have finished my yachting courses. I think actually it's a great way to recharge and find inspiration outside the work.